How to use Betano's cash out feature. If you want to use the cash out feature on Betano, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. What we have to do for this is we have to simply open up our browser and go to Betano's website. Now when you're placing a certain bet over here, right? So let me just go ahead and then choose a certain bet, and then let me add those bets to my bet slip over there. Once I've added them to my bet slip, you will see the changes on the right hand side accordingly. First of all, a cash out is a feature that allows you to settle your bets, whether it is single or parlay bet, before the end of the game or match, giving you more control over your bets and even potential winnings. Now, some of the important points to know about cash out is available markets. So cash out is available on selected markets both before the start of the event and during for the event, including soccer, tennis, basketball, and volleyball. Cash out is also available on selected events offered with super odds for the market full-time results before the game or match begins. You can also check some of the eligible bets, and as a result, after you add them to your bet slip, you'll be able to enter your staking amount and then cash out the winnings. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.